Google Drive is more than just cloud storage. It's a powerful platform packed with features that can help you stay organized, collaborate efficiently, and work smarter. Whether you're a student, professional, or small business owner, knowing these features can make your digital workflow much smoother. One key feature is real-time collaboration. With Google Drive, you can work on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations alongside others simultaneously. Changes are saved automatically, and version history allows you to see previous edits or restore earlier versions whenever needed. Another essential feature is file organization. You can create folders, color-code them, and star important files for quick access. Google Drive also makes searching effortless. You can find files by name, file type, owner, or even keywords within documents. This saves time and ensures you always know where your files are, even if your drive is full of folders and documents. Sharing and permissions are also critical features. You can easily share files and folders with others, choosing whether they can view, comment, or edit. The @mention feature in comments lets you notify collaborators directly, making teamwork smoother and reducing the need for long email threads. Google Drive also integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms, so all your work stays in one ecosystem.
Automation and third-party integrations are another set of features to explore. You can connect Drive with tools like Slack, Trello, and Zapier to streamline workflows, automatically save files, or trigger actions in other apps. Offline access is another hidden gem. By enabling offline mode, you can view and edit files without an internet connection. Perfect for working on the go.
Finally, security features in Google Drive ensure your data is safe. Two-factor authentication, controlled sharing, and encrypted storage keep your files protected while giving you flexibility in collaboration. By exploring these features, you can make Google Drive more than just a storage space. It becomes a central hub for productivity, organization, and teamwork. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on Google Drive, productivity tools, and tech hacks to make your digital life easier.